Folks, welcome to REI Podio CRM's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be guiding you how to connect your Calendly to Podio account. For this integration, we will use a free or premium Podio account, Calendly, which is going to be free, event schedule setup in the Calendly, where you have to first schedule a test event right from this page. Once confirming into email, which is connected to your Calendly, like your main email on which your Calendly account is set up. Once you schedule an event, which is going to be a test event, you will receive an email like this. And the next account, you will be having a free make.com account, or it can be premium depending on the usage or number of, scheduling events you're going to have. So let's just get started from scratch. For this, we have set up a Calendly events application. I'll show you the fields which are set up under this. There are 5 total number of fields, including the event date. Then I'll show you the fields which are in the event actually. Which are also the same fields in here. And you see the date is the extra, which will store an event date field. Now, when we have the app and the event all set, also with the test event scheduled, receive the email as well. Now we will move forward to make.com and create a new scenario in there. For this, you have to connect same email where you have received the test event under the Gmail Watch emails trigger. Once you set up the trigger like this, you have to put the folder as inbox, simple filter as all emails criteria. Then you have to put a filter for sender email address, which is going to be notifications@calendly.com, which is actually the same email from where we have received this email. So this is going to be always same forever. Let's go back, and down below we have a subject filter, new event, which is going to always be the new event for whenever a new event is scheduled on your Calendly. For the verification, you see here, the subject contains new event, which is going to be our core filter for filtering the emails coming from notifications@calendly.com. Once you're set up, next action is text parser, which is going to take the text content variable coming in the email. So this text content is this one, text content. So from this, we are going to parse the text and fetch the specific fields information one by one using regex. In this, we have a text parser right here. Let's start from the first. We have invitee, which is going to be name of the person who have, scheduled the event. This is the invitee one. Next is the invitee email. So these patterns we created from DeepSeek. You can also ask DeepSeek depending on your fields, but these are the core fields, so you can just copy these patterns from here. In case you are unable to, take these patterns from anywhere from GPT or DeepSeek, or unable to make yourself the regex patterns, you can just email me on support@integroforce.com or schedule a discovery call on my website. The link would be given under the description of the video. So the next field is phone, and this is the pattern for this. Then the next one is the question field, which we had, if you remember, which is this one. So after fetching all the information, the last one is the date, event date value, which is going to be coming through this. And after this, we have to split the date, because the way it is coming in here, you see 12 a.m., then dash Saturday, 31 May 2025, which is not the good pattern for the Podio to receive the date format in the date field. So we have to format it in a way where Podio can receive or create item without errors of date field. So here we have splitted date coming from here, so that we can have time and the date separately, and we will then merge back this time at the end with the proper format, which is going to be successfully added through the Podio events. Next field is we have split it again, the time. This is going to be actually the date. We have split this date by comma because of, I'll show you this comma because again, Saturday, we are not going to put this in the field because we already have 31 May 2025, which is the proper date. Now, next is again merging back date time, so that we put first the date, then the last as time. Now, next going to be parsing the merged date time into a date format, so that, this is essential to input the date field. It should be a date format. Then we have to reformat it in a proper format, which is going to be received by Podio. So this format, if you see, this is the format which is going to be made right in here, and when this date and time is merged together, this makes this one format. So we have to put this format so that we can parse the date into a date format. Now we have to change the format into the one which Podio receives, and then we have the last event where you have to select your organization after connecting the Podio account. Then you have to select the workspace where the application lies, which is the iForce client success. And then under there, we have an application named as Calendly events. So in here, we have the name, which was parsed by this one action. Then we have the phone. We have hypermarked it or hard coded it to work, which is going to always be work phone. Then we have the work email, and at the last we have the answer of the question which we have asked, and the last one is the event date, which is this one. So let me just show you. We have no kind of record in here, so let's just run this scenario once. We have to select the specific notification which was received recently, which was the test one. So let's then retest it. This ran successfully. Now we can go into the Podio app and refresh the page. We should have the event created successfully in here. So right here, you see we have an event with the date and time properly. Okay, so 31 May 2025, 12 a.m. That was actually the same date and time in here as well. So this was how you can successfully create or do integration of Calendly to Podio using make.com. I chose make.com because it's free of cost. But if you already have premium Calendly, you can also go with integrating workflow. And in here, you can add a webhook, or you can simply put our email reminder to invitee, or just put a webhook under the integrations. So there are a couple of ways to integrate these tools. And yeah, if you got any further question, I can go over on a call, a discovery call. We should schedule on our website. The link will be given under this description of the video, and we can go over any integration you have with Podio, with Calendly, or any other tool. So that would be it for now, and I hope you have enjoyed the video, and this video would have saved your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and have a great day.